Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with the Quilted Cow, and today I'll show you how to make the helpful Heifer bench pillow. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids, rulers, mats, and cutters, and the beautiful Wilmington prints, the fabric I'll be using today. Let's get started. Today I'll show you how to make the helpful Heifer bench pillow. This pillow is super easy to make, and you can check out our website at thequiltedcow.com to get the kit and a pattern for this. So let's get started. Like I said, this pillow is super easy. You're gonna cut your fabrics to size. This is gonna be our main fabric. And these two pieces will be our accent fabrics. We're just gonna lay that out like this, and then fold it over so there's right sides together, and then we're just going to pin it together. Okay, now that I got that top piece on, we're gonna repeat it for this bottom accent. Okay, now that I have it all pinned together, I'm gonna take it to the machine and sew 1/4 inch down each side. Now that I have both accent pieces attached, let's go ahead and press this open. I'm going to press away from the main fabric. Okay, this is the top of your bench pillow. So let's go ahead and work on the back. Now, if you want to quilt your bench pillow, you can. You can just add cotton and then muslin and quilt it. But we're just gonna add the backing today. So you're gonna cut your backing to size. And then you're gonna fold it in half, wrong sides together. And then you just give it a nice press. And then you'll just wanna stitch 1/4 inch down the folded side. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that I have both of my backing pieces stitched on the fold 1/4 inch away, let's assemble the backing. I'm gonna lay the folded side toward the middle of the pillow. And as you can see, my pillow top is right sides up. And again, my folded piece is in the middle. So let's go ahead and line everything up. Okay, let's go ahead and you can use some Wonder Clips or use some pins. Pin it in place, making sure you're grabbing all those pieces of fabrics. And now let's go ahead and take this over to the machine and sew 1/4 inch around all the edges. Okay, now that I have sewn my backing on, let's just flip it right sides out. And let's make sure we poke out each corner really well. You can use something to help poke it out, but nothing sharp, because you don't want to poke a hole in the corners of your fabric. And there you have it, the helpful Heifer bench pillow. Like and subscribe to watch all of our videos. And remember to check out our website, thequiltedcow.com, for all the kits and patterns. Thanks again for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.